Day 16. If you don't quit, you can't lose. This is when the rubber hits the road. It's starting to get a little challenging. Come on, let's move. Our workouts are staying the same. Nice, simple movements, but showing up every day. By day 16, it gets a little more challenging. We stick with it. You do this complete workout. At the end, you comment, job done. There's one small victory to start my day, and they just keep pounding over the course of the day. Hallelujah. It's been an amazing day. Just showing up day in and day out. No matter what we want to do, consistency is the key. Not a long workout today, just some nice natural movement. Boost our energy, elevate our mood. Just keep this challenge of building discipline and consistency strong. You're doing amazing. If you're still here after day 16, it's absolutely brilliant. We'll just pick up the pace with our feet a bit. I'm just gonna, now remember, we're at our trusty chair there. By all means, go in your chair. If the balance isn't working for you yet, you can just be stepping, just move. Get our arms a bit here. Can kind of go to the side if I like. Remember to breathe. Just start to twist our hips a bit. Yeah, get those arms in there. Just moving to the side, and I'm just getting our day started, loosening up. If you can get down nice and deep, why not? Go for it. First thing in the morning, maybe not so much. Find your edge. I can go here. Oh, I can go a little bit further. Oh, yep, just a little bit. Our lives are the sum of all of our daily habits. Starting off with some movement, staying consistent to that. We build a muscle memory. It's like, I show up for myself. I take care of my business. Little by little, it's stronger and stronger. It becomes easier and easier to show up. You don't have to think about it. It becomes automatic. One more. Oh, yeah. It's just, so, in and out. Ooh, or get some nice heat in our arms, building strength in our shoulders, upper back. We don't need fancy gym equipment. If you like to go to the gym, go. Brilliant. But we can do so much with our body, just our body weight exercises, finding ways to move naturally. Start to look outside, notice, hey, look at that park bench. I could probably do some dips on there. A couple push-ups maybe. Whoa, I can't talk and move at the same time today. We can get our feet involved if you like. This could be easily done in the chair. Wherever you're at. Beautiful. Day 16, huh? Ooh, couple more. Yeah. Let's just walk it out. Feeling warm? By this time, what are we adding on? What more can we do? Are you getting that 10-minute evening walk in after your last meal? Going for just 10 minutes of a walk has huge benefits. Really does boost our metabolism, aids in weight loss. Just feels good. Get outside. build some strength. Just a little pulse. It's all about readiness. Like, do this not because we want to go to the gym and squat 200 kilos, because we want to go for a walk in the evening and feel strong, be able to climb up the hill, run up a few flights of stairs. Just readiness for the day. Life becomes exciting and terrific. I'm so fortunate. I have a 6-year-old. He sees a set of stairs, and now he just looks at me like, let's go. And he wants to race up them every time. That's why I do these things. So I say, yeah, buddy, let's go. Come on. That's a good life. When you see stairs and you want to be Rocky Balboa and run up them, childlike, right? When we give our movement a purpose, a reason why we do it, it's not because of the way it makes us look. That's a nice bonus. It's the way it makes us feel. It allows us to get through our day, do more things, and enjoy doing them. And we just got to keep showing up day in, day out. Stay consistent, and we'll achieve anything we desire. You don't quit, you can't lose. I love that idea. Even if you don't reach a certain goal, if you don't quit, that's the self-esteem you build up. Hey, I did everything I possibly could. I can feel very proud of that. Most things are out of our control except my effort. I just keep showing up and showing up. I'm fairly certain no matter what it is, you will achieve it if you just keep at it and keep at it and keep at it. Don't quit. Lunges. Again, these look very different for each of us. If you're in your chair, just move your feet, move your arms, find some movement that works for you. And again, if you're just taking a step, just great. Balance, strength, natural movement, it's all there. If you can sink a little bit deeper, then do it. Oh, yeah. Pick a spot. Our next few, let's give it all of our focus, all of our attention. Be so present. Two more. That's pretty nice. You notice that when you really give 100% attention, focus onto something, that's when I notice kind of go to no mind. And that is a liberating feeling where you're just, that monkey mind kind of ceases and you're so engaged in what you're doing. And we can develop that with consistent training, really being so present. Don't stop moving. I'm talking to myself. So consistent in focusing on things. And we start to get a little bit better and a little bit better. We become better at everything we do when we can focus and concentrate. Let's just go for a little walk, but opposite hand, opposite foot. And let's get a little stretch. Walking hamstring stretch. So nice dynamic movement rather than just staying static, which is fine also. I just like to move. Sink as low as you can go. This is it for the day. One more. I'm feeling warm, energized. Don't forget, job done when you've completed this. Celebrate the small wins. Compound them. Consistency, consistency. It can be boring doing the same things. But consistency, once you get there, isn't. Mountain pose today. 1 minute. All of our attention, all of our focus. Be here now. Let's just absorb. Feel your body. Just close your eyes if you like. Just notice the sensations running through your body. The mind wanders. We notice the mind wander. Oh, there it goes. Come back. I'm going to put all my attention on the sensations of my body. Tingling in the fingertips, maybe. Noticing the beating of your heart. Feel the bottoms of your feet, where your feet are touching the ground. One really intentional breath together. Breathe in. Fill your lungs up. And let it all go. Yes! Feeling amazing. Thank you. Keep showing up. Stay consistent over and over and over again. And we'll see you tomorrow. Well done. Goodbye.